Hello, this is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And we're going to cover a subject that we are asked quite frequently, and that has to do with when you should have your water lines to your house replumbed. Personally, I'm of a philosophy, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But there are exceptions to that. Number one, it depends on what kind of water lines you have feeding your house. You can have old galvanized water lines, you can have copper lines, and you can have something called polybutylene lines. Now let's say copper, if it's under the slab, under the foundation, how long it lasts will depend on basically the acid content in the ground. Bottom line, nothing lasts forever, but copper usually lasts a long time, but nothing lasts forever. This here is a repair that we did or somebody did, and then after the repair, you can see a hole in the pipe right past the repair, probably 2 or 3 years after the repair was made. But bottom line, you see all this build up on the outside of the pipe. That builds up from moisture in the dirt or acid content in the ground. And as it deteriorates, the inside diameter of the pipe gets smaller and smaller until it'll actually get paper thin, and then it starts blowing. And when that happens, it should, if you've had one water leak, you probably fixed it. And then you might have had another water leak. Well, you're tired of fixing these water leaks, especially if they're under the slab foundation of your house. And then it would be time to replumb it. If you have old galvanized pipes, you might be experiencing, every time you turn on a faucet, you have this brown, rusty color coming out. Well, that is the buildup on the inside of the pipe. It's all rust. It might be good for you, but it doesn't look good. Probably not good for you either. But if you're getting rust coming out your faucets, it's probably time to replumb your house. Another type of pipe is polybutylene. This came out between 1976 and about 1995, and the pipe was defective. If you have it, you probably have had leaks or you've had your house replumbed already, but if you have not, you're going to have leaks and the house should be replumbed. Now there's one other type of pipe that has been used, and it used to be used for the water lines from the meter to the house and also for sprinkler systems, and that's PVC pipe. It's pretty good pipe for those two things. It's pretty much doesn't get used as much as it used to because everything is switched to the Aquapex. But what is not okay is to have this type of pipe anywhere under the foundation of your house. It's not code. It's definitely not made for hot water. It gets hot and cold, it gets brittle and it breaks. So if you have this, you want to get rid of it, and we want to replumb your house with something much better, because this will affect, especially if it's on hot lines, but it's against code to have it at all anywhere under the foundation of your house. Those are the 3 types of pipes. If you're interested, we can come out to your house, assess what kind of pipes you have, and give you a price on what it would cost to replumb your house and have nice clean water again. The type of pipe we use today, and I think it's the best ever, and it's called Aquapex pipe. And when we replumb it in blue and red. That way we never cross hot and cold. It's the best stuff ever that we've come up with yet, in my opinion. This is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing. Have a great day and be plumbing problem free. Thank you.